While power supplies might not be the most exciting part of a build, you will certainly notice the difference if you skimp out on one. Power supplies basically provide you with the juice to bring your PC to life, so why not ensure your PC is getting the most out of its power supply as possible? Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and if you want the power, then check out our awesome new range of Toughpower PF1 power supplies. Coming in 850 watt, 750 watt and 650 watt options, these 80 plus platinum power supplies are a great choice for your next build. In contrast to its ARGB cousins, this series of PF1s are entirely RGB-less, for those of you who prefer more of a professional, minimalist look. They're also fully modular, meaning you don't have to deal with an unruly jumble of cables that you might not even use. While platinum PSUs are usually quite large, that isn't the case with the PF1. Coming in at just 140mm deep, 86mm high and 150mm long, this PSU is nice and compact, allowing for an easier fit in smaller sized cases. The Toughpower PF1's compact size is achieved by new board technology. This new design allows all SMDs to sit on the topmost side of the PCB. This prevents heat accumulation at the base of the PSU and allows cold air to easily pass through, ensuring your PSU's temperature is kept nice and low. Constructed using premium Japanese capacitors, the Toughpower PF1 provides excellent durability and outstanding stability. Additionally, a powerful single 12-volt rail provides stable and reliable power. Its 80 plus platinum certification also ensures the utmost energy efficiency. But what is cooling everything down in our PF1, you ask? Well, that would be our ultra-quiet 120mm hydraulic bearing fan. This fan has intelligent PHM controls, ensuring superior cooling performance and near-silent operation. This is aided by our additional Smart Zero fan feature, which can keep the fan from spinning until the load exceeds 30% of the power supply, keeping your components cool without unnecessary fan noises. Utilizing an anti-vibration mounting system with tons of ventilation holes, you can be confident that your power supply will be kept nice and cool even when running the most demanding games or programs. So if your current power supply is having a tough time under heavy programs or games, then it sounds like you need a bit of tough power. Our new sleek and simple Toughpower PF1 range provides unparalleled stability and efficiency. Coming in a compact size and with 3 different wattage options, you're sure to feel the power with one of these bad boys in your build. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave us a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have in the comments section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and ding that bell to be notified each and every time we upload. And while you're still around, check out either of these 2 awesome Thermaltake videos floating around me, and we'll see you in the next one.